I'm hereby announcing that Ask Samantha is now available. For those of you who don't know what Ask Samantha is the AI agent that I built and initiated on May the 1st of 2025. And as a result of her analyzing stocks and giving us future projections, we achieved over 100% return on our investment from May of 2025 to May of 2026. And we basically took $668,000 and turned it into $2 million. What I've realized is that with each analysis she does, she gets better. And I follow about 60 stocks, and so over the year's time, I probably have asked her to do somewhere in the neighborhood of 100 to 120 stock analysis on roughly 60 stocks. So with that being said, what I realized was that if I could make it available to all of my tribe members, of which there were 900, and I've got to limit it because, quite honestly, I don't know what it's going to cost me to do this, because I'm going to push that now to about 4,500 analysis. Now, there may be some repeats in there, but it's going to substantially increase the load. But what I recognize is it's going to make her better, because my tribe members will veer away from AI stocks. They're liable to ask for any stock, and as she looks at different stocks in different situations, her knowledge base will grow, and thus she will just become better. So we've limited it to 5. And my hope is we can double that once we kind of work the kinks out. I know there are going to be problems, there are going to be issues, but I think it is a interesting concept that you take a community of novice investors and ask them to ask for analysis. The beauty is they then get a printout of that analysis to them, as well as it goes into our pool of analysis. We sort out of it and say those who meet Kerry's criterias of the Rule of 40 and several other that are in the prompt will then go to Kerry's tell sheet, and we will broaden our scope, because right now it's limited to my interest in AI. And if we have 4,000 or 900 people producing 4,500 analyses in a month, we're going to build one hell of a smart AI agent. Now, what I'm also realizing I'm going to have to do is limit my memberships. Number one, because my cost will go up substantially with Samantha, and if we get 3,000 people reacting to a particular stock analysis, we could put ourselves in a position where we're moving the market. So I recognize up front there is a limit. There is a cap there. We call it the bus, best of us. There's a point at which we have to close the doors on the bus and say that's all, because we'll move the market. And in reality, if we can maintain what we did last year and grow our portfolios in excess of 100% a year, what more do you need? 1 million turns into 2, 2 turns into 4, 4 turns into 8. You get my drift. So this is an announcement to the tribe members that it's available. You go to the website, you'll find Ask Samantha. You merely enter a ticker symbol. We've got your email address. It'll take probably, we think, it takes usually when she does it for me, it takes anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes. She'll email you the report. We'll retain the report, and it'll be It'll be a Wall Street analysis. It's usually about 24 pages long. So it includes projections of what the stock price is going to be January the 20, what would that be, 27th, 28th, and 29th. And then as we move forward, we stay in 3 years, because our primary objective is to only buy stocks who have a good possibility to double over a 3-year period. And as I said, with the growth of AI and the focus on AI, we did that in 1 year this last year. So, tribe members, it's available to you now. New tribe members, go to the website, sign up, and give it a shot. Talk to you more about it as we learn more, right? It's a learning experience for us. But I think it's just amazing what we're building. A community of ordinary people who will compete with the best stock analysts in the world, because we have access to all the knowledge in the world, and she just keeps getting smarter with the more tasks that we put in front of her.